Have you ever tried a local herb that you can drink with milk? So today I am going to our farm to get some, and I want to show you guys the whole process. So join me. So we are here. Let's look for her. So this is it. This one is still growing. This is everything that is there. That's it. So I'm going to plug some now. I'm going to plug some now. So you guys should just watch. This is it. I think this will be enough for us. This will be enough. So what do you guys call this in your local language? I don't know the name. I used to call it purple tea. Because I finish boiling it, it will not be purple. This is it. What do you guys call this in your local language? Yeah, I'm done. Can't wait to take this. Like every morning, I used to take this. So bye. See you guys in my next vlog.